Hey folks, Mr. Phil here. We're going to go to my home kitchen and I'm going to show you how to make a hot dog. And I don't mean just a regular hot dog. I mean a hot dog smothered in beautiful Alabama hot sauce, Big Jim Hatch red pepper. Now this is my hot version. I got two of them, a mild and a hot. This is the hot version because as you all know, I like things hot. So hang around, we're going to go in the kitchen, and I'm going to show you this amazing stuff. Oh man, see you in the kitchen. Hey folks, this is Phil from Alabama Hot Sauce. That's alabamahotsauce.com on the web. I'm standing here today with you in my home kitchen. Matter of fact, I'm standing in the corner I normally stand in when I shoot these videos. And I want to show you an application for one of my newest products, which is the Hatch Big Jim Hot Red Pepper Relish. Now, this product is a pure pepper relish, nothing else. Prepared completely from fresh Hatch peppers in the Alabama Hot Sauce kitchen, and it tastes absolutely wonderful. And today, I want to show it to you on what I think it is best on, which is hot dogs. Now, I've got in my pot here 3 Nathan's Wieners that I have warmed in the traditional dirty hot dog way. The only thing I did different is I eliminated the hot pepper powder that would normally go in here because I didn't want to color at all the taste of this sauce. So I'm going to take these babies and I'm going to put them in the buns. Now, where they traditionally sell dirty hot dogs in New York City, they would use a slightly different wiener. They would use a wiener that has a natural stiff casing on it. I'm using more the Chicago type hot dog, the Nathan's hot dog, which I like best. But anyway, to each their own. Now, what I'm going to do, normally I dress a hot dog up with mustard and maybe some other condiments. But to get the full understanding of the taste of this Alabama hot sauce Hatch pepper relish, I'm going to use nothing but the relish. Now, this stuff is absolutely beautiful. I'm telling you. And it smells oh so good. Now, I have 2 varieties of this. This is the traditional Big Jim Hatch red peppers that are prepared to make relish. Very, very moderate heat. And this is the hot version. And what's different about this, since the Big Jim does not have enough natural heat to supply those of us who want a real good bite, this also has some Biker Billy red jalapeno blended in it. Not enough to impact the taste a lot. Still tastes like Hatch peppers, but enough to add it some heat. So today I'm using the hot one. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to ladle on plenty of this. Oh, let's do the second one. All right, folks, look at that. That's a wonderful hot dog covered in this completely rich and delicious Alabama hot sauce Hatch pepper relish. And now I'm going to go in and take a bite. Oh, me. The depth of the flavor in this stuff is unbelievable. It has a good amount of heat because it is the hot version. It has that crisp taste of hatch peppers, and they are unique. You can't get that taste anywhere else. But most of all, it makes a hot dog where you wouldn't really need anything else on it. I'd be perfectly honest, or happy to be honest, to eat this hot dog just like this all the time. I wouldn't need any other condiments. I wouldn't need anything else on it. I could eat it just like this. Anyway, folks, that is the Mr. Phil's homemade hot dog, covered and seasoned with Alabama hot sauce, extra hot Big Jim red pepper relish. I'm suggesting you folks grab you a couple of jars. This stuff is wonderful. I know you're going to like it. Now that we're here at the end, I may tack on a little commercial telling you how you can get this, and maybe I'll come up with a deal for you on my website. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching this video. I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and ring the bell so YouTube will know to notify you every single time I post a video. Again, Mr. Phil, Alabama hot sauce, coming to you with Big Jim hot hatch pepper relish. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Hey folks, grab this special. I think you'll love it. Link's going to be in the description. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click the suggested videos and see what you think. Also, please press the logo to subscribe to our channel. Once again, Alabama hot sauce, where everything is made the Alabama hot sauce way.